let's see question number 11. It says triangle A is translated by the vector 6 minus 4 to give triangle B. So simply what we're going to do over here, we're just going to look at this one. So we're going to move this point 6 points to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we need to do 4 points down from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our first point. And then we're going to go 2 points down. 1, 2, and 1 point to the left. And we go this triangle. And this is triangle B. Okay, so this is triangle B. So triangle B is rotated 90° clockwise about the point 1, 2. So this is 1 and 2. So about the point 1, 2 to give triangle C. So we need to rotate this triangle 90° clockwise. If you are rotating a triangle 90° clockwise, so there is a simple rule. So if you have a x, y values, so you just simply change into y value becomes your x values goes over here, as a y value becomes your x value, and the x value becomes your y value, but we're going to use minus x values. Okay, so let's start. So this is our center point now. So we're going to check how many points this point is away from this point. So we have 1, 2, 3 points and 2 down. So we have 3 and minus 2. So what it's converted, so we're going to write it down as minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so we're going to check from this point. So 1 and 2 minus 2 and 1, 2 and 3 minus 3 down. Okay, now we're going to check this point. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 3 and minus 4. So this point will be converted into minus 4 minus 3. So we're going to go from this is our center. So we're going to go minus 4 points to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 points down. Okay, so we're going to try this point now. So we have 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 minus 4 because this is going down, so that becomes minus 4 and minus 2. So we're going to go towards 4 points to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 points there. So this is our triangle C. So the coordinates we have minus 3, 0, minus 3, minus 1, and minus 1 and minus 1, and this is our triangle C. You just need to remember this rule. X value y is converted into y and minus x when we are rotating 90° clockwise. This is quite simple if you remember this rule when you are rotating 90° clockwise. Okay, so now they're asking this question: describe the fully single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle C. If you look at this one, so this triangle is rotated 90° clockwise. So the first point is 90° clockwise, and the transformation is called rotation. So this triangle is rotated 90° clockwise, and we need to find out the center now. So if you use this point, which is minus 4 and 1, around this one, if you put your pencil there and put a tracing paper on this one, so that will be rotated 90° clockwise to this point. So the transformation from A to C is rotation 90° clockwise, and you're going to write down center is minus 4 and 1. Okay, so this is really simple 3 mark questions. I hope